seen this on Shark Tank, the TV show where they try to sell their ideas. And then I asked for it for Christmas and I actually got it. I'm going to try it out, see if it works. I just got Papa John's pizza. I guess there's a bunch of different types of pizza, even homemade. But let's see how they cut it. It's around New Year's, so they're probably cutting quick for a bunch of people's pizza. But let's see if it lives up to what they showed on Shark Tank, if anybody watched that. Holds up to 5, or it can just hold 1. That's the cool part about it. No matter how many slices you got left over. Normally you don't have more than 5. Nice silicone. This folds out to how many pieces you need to take care of. It's got nice little latches on the sides, one on the end so the pizza don't slip out the end, and 2 big ones on the top. Them style latches don't last very long, but basically all they could use. Looks like you put your slice on that. So if you only want 1 slice, you do that. See how thin it is? And if you want 2 slices, you pop it up 1. Just 1. And there's 2 slices. You put a piece in there, and then you put this on top of it. Looks like it's going to be a total mess. I thought these actually like locked into the corners. Guess they don't have to. And then it goes clear up to hold 5. And then it fits right in the refrigerator. And it's microwavable safe. Let's go see if the pizza I just got delivered can hold them. It's got a little, I don't think there's a blow off for when it gets hot in the microwave. But let's go do it. Just bought some pizza. Sorry, my camera went like ape shit for some reason. We made a bunch of stuff for New Year's and then we ended up buying some pizza. So let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you do put one on the bottom. Let's go ahead and just try 1 piece. 1 piece is kind of weird. Oh, this is my pizza. 2 pizzas here. I'm actually packing somebody's lunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I eat that one, she won't even know. So let's try it. Let's see if it holds a standard how they cut it. Overlaps a little. Overlaps. If I pushed it down right now, see how level it is? I think it would squish the back of the pizza. And this is thin crust. I don't really think it would do thick crust. So now I'm just supposed to put that on top of there. There's 2. I gotta put this down for a second. Okay, you can see it in there. It's looking promising. There, we put that on top of there. It's not really holding them very tight. Obviously, each cut is personal because they cut it there. But I think I should put a narrow one at the bottom. Now I can go. That ain't even cut. They didn't even cut that. So far, I'm thinking it's going to be a mess. I think this is going to fall and go down the sides. Because we're not at 5 yet. And that will probably make it level right there. I don't see a 5th one going in there. Again, this is thin crust. Well, it's not the thinnest crust, I guess. Yeah, they want it cut to that size. That's not how they cut it. Okay, see, it's about level right there. And I still have 1 more to put in there, and we have 4 slices in there right now. So, it's really going to smush the pizza down. I don't even want to do that. I would say it holds 4 slices. I don't want to do that. Look, I put that there and it's well above it. I don't want to smush my pizza. So let's go ahead and try just 4. Lock the lid back on. And let's say you've traveled a little bit. It's going to get bumped around. It's going to get turned on its side, the other side. It's going to get moved around, both sides. Let's go upside down just a little bit. Okay, let's see how it protected the pizza. You guys can already see. So that layer did nothing. Other than that, looks like they all stayed together. So the top layer, this gets a bit wide. They should have made it all one size coming up, but they didn't. So I guess it's all right if you're doing a bunch of pieces. If you're only doing 2 pieces, I think it'd kind of be a waste. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Thanks for watching.